Pikolomzi Noqazo, head coach Sinenkani FC. First thing esiyenzileyo i-recruitment of the technical team ukwenzela uba sibe right going forward kwi-Sinenkani FC. We recruited a goalkeeper coach that has helped us a lot kwinto yabo goalkeeping, and sazisa no-coach Vumani or assistant coach. He's been a head coach up at Timin, so it's kind of like we have two head coaches, but it's shiyana ngokwe-portfolios ke, so ingqondo zininzi and everything. So i-recruitment that we did, and we have our fitness trainer who's keeping the guys very fit. Uba uyaqapheleka kwakwi-games esidlalayo, we are always up there in terms of fitness. Yeah, i-season yethu it is a reflection of ezinye seasons. We reflected from the previous seasons when I was a head coach and when Uvumani was a head coach naye apha etimini, and siye sajonga downfalls zethu from those previous seasons, and umke bemfike phakathi through season last season, and we were number 1 before December break, and then xa sevulayo we lost to Amavarara, lost to Amampondo, we drew with Imata Milan, those 3 games, and then we won the rest of the games. So it was some into evula ingqondo that we Jeba siyasavala si on top with Ravens. We siyasabane homework that we did, so that singaphindeki the previous mistakes that we did previously. Uba sivale sing number 1 xa sekuvulwa sibuye singasekho right. So what we did, we reinforced from the squad that we had previously. We won all the games before December, but sithe masingaphumli, masijonge, because we need ezinye players. We had a setback on ukusweleka kukaNsizwa. There's no replacement for him, but we had to find ways of living without him. We bring another defender and a striker and a defensive midfielder and a winger to reinforce the team. So in terms of preparations and reinforcement, it was all about reflecting from what we did wrong previously. So I think we are on the right track. We are not complacent, because ubang number 1, it's not a child's play. So we are doing everything esiyifumanayo so that sihlale sing number 1. Siyayazi ba ezinye teams, they are on i-backs zethu, more especially our arch rivals, the Ravens. There are so many things. We still left with so many games. I think it's 6 games. Yeah, 6 games to finish okanye 7. Yeah, 6 or 7 games to finish line yethu. So we are not complacent. We want to take each and every game step by step. Sivizitelwa yi-peacemakers over the weekend. Nayo, it is not different from any games that we played. We are preparing so that we can gun for 3 points, and probably if we keep on taking these games each game at a time, we'll get to indlela esifuna uba sibe yiyo to i-decider and all the way to i-playoffs, and then we win i-playoffs. Umyalezo wami kwi-fans okokuqala, ziyasonwabisa i-presence yabo hayi yenza uba ibe yi-12th man nyhani apha kuthi siyiSinenkani. The only thing I can say into yoba we are very happy ukuba khona kwabo apha, bayayibonakalisa, because for the first time le season i-fans ziyaya nakwi-away games zethu. So nje sihlala sikhululekile. It is even worse xa sihlala home. We are very happy, and we promise that sizohlala sibanika le nto abayizeleyo egroundini.